Hey guys, I saw this website which was advertising about Ola scooter dealership. Their target is to show more profits to the dealers and try getting potential dealers. Check this dealership benefits they are showing.
Dealership benefits *. The commission offered by OLA Electric Motor is as below. For selling an electric scooter, first dealership 20 to 25%, second dealership 15 to 20%, and third dealership 9 to 15%. Per scooter. * 50% subsidy of Indian government. * per year interest will be given at 4.5% of the total investment cost. * the company will total pay for the service center worker for 6 months. After 6 months 50% will be paid by the company and 50% will be paid by the dealership.
I just googled to search Ola scooter dealership. This was the website which came up first. And trust me, it is totally fraud. Don't fall into this trap. The website looks very neat, guys. Any newbie would fall for it, for sure, if they don't know about the technicalities. The contact details page had a Bangalore address and a phone number. I'll show you the glimpse of the layout of the website. This is exactly where the dealership benefits are given. These are the documents required for them, and they're asking for land papers as well. This is very risky, guys. Never submit any land documents or any personal sensitive data to them. See, this fraudster's work is to make us click on the apply now button. Once we fill all this information and submit it to them, that is when they can take it ahead. They can call you, they can email you, they can send you phishing links. So it is all risky after this point. So never submit any documents here, or let it be any personal sensitive data. The reason I'm making this video is I want every one of you to be safe and not fall into such traps. A couple of weeks ago I came across this Facebook dealership fraud page. I did report it as unauthorized sales. I sent an email to Ola's legal team and Bavish as well. The legal team got back to me with a reply. Check this out.
Thank you for your email and bringing this matter to our attention. This to clarify that All Electric Technologies Pvt. Limited Company has not authorized any person to offer dealerships or distributorships. We advise you to strictly refrain from engaging with such imposters posing as official persons and to stop responding to their emails, communications. We further advise you to not get misled by such fake communications with similar addresses, logos, domains, email addresses, etc., and to inform the local police immediately. Further, our company is neither offering any dealerships, distributorships, nor is our company collecting any deposits, advances, tokens, etc. Please note that the only official website of our company is www.olaelectric.com, where you can find all the relevant information pertaining to our company and our newly launched OLA S1 electric scooter. Please note that our company will not be responsible or liable for any loss or damage, whether direct or indirect, suffered by anyone due to the use of or dealing with such fake websites, emails, communications.
Ola's website clearly says that there is no dealership they are offering right now. This video is to keep the community safe. Be safe, guys. Don't fall into such frauds. If you guys want to check the websites, I'll give all the links in the description. Go to check, but don't apply or don't submit any personal details. That's it for this one, guys. Until next time.